Mastering the present perfect continuous tense, the art of negativity. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English grammar, the present perfect continuous tense, with a specific focus on negative sentences. It's an aspect of English that might seem tricky, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be forming negative sentences with confidence. Before we tackle negative sentences, let's refresh our understanding of the present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to express an action that started in the past, continued until now, and may still be happening. It is formed with the structure subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ing. Like in, she has been running for an hour. Now, to create a negative sentence in the present perfect continuous tense, we simply need to add not, after, has, or have. The structure becomes subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus verb ing. For example, she has not been running for an hour. Let's dive deeper with more examples. I have not been feeling well since yesterday. We have not been living here for a decade. They have not been working on the project for long. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try forming your own negative sentences using this structure. In spoken and informal written English, we often use contractions. Has not becomes hasn't, and have not becomes haven't. So, our sentences could look like, I haven't been feeling well since yesterday. We haven't been living here for a decade. They haven't been working on the project for long. So, there you have it. The ins and outs of forming negative sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. Remember, practice is key. Try using this tense in your daily conversations and writings. With consistent practice, you'll master this in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Happy learning!